Hi, I'm Nadia. And this is my pet ball, Jordan. This is Gabriel. He's a snake. And this is my mom, Martha. And this is my helper, Pablo. And this is my whole show. Nadia learns safety. Sockets are not safe to play with. Look, Jordan, my wind-up flower toy is ready to go. Look at it go. Oh, wait.
Something's wrong with the picture of Nadia in the snack house.
What's going on?
The wind-up flower's petal got stuck in the socket.
That's what made the food maker picture of Nadia and the other machines break.
I'll turn off the power to keep us safe.
I will stay away from sockets from now on.
Now let's have an extreme safety talk about this. Hey kids, remember sockets are very dangerous. You should never touch them. If you don't, you won't get hurt by any electric shock. If you need to use electricity, always ask for help. Please remember that. Goodbye.